Hello and welcome to the video of a quick and easy refurb of this workbench. So this bench has been sat outside for a long time. Wood's pretty rotten, a bit rusty here and there, but very solid. But I just want to put a new top on it, paint the legs, yeah, just get it sort of jazzed up a little bit. So these workbenches were made by a ridgid tool company from America, mostly used by plumbers, but also other trades use them. Good for holding pipes and just beating on basically. Easy to work with, very robust. That's what makes them so popular. Obviously taking it apart is very easy, all just nuts, bolts and screws. No real hardship there. Let's get the drill. But I know I'm just painting over the rust, but again, this is just a workbench, so I'm not really that interested. I just want to make it look pretty. It's pretty solid anyway, it doesn't really matter. As long as it looks okay, it's still going to be functional. So I'm just happy either way. Obviously, if you're going to do a proper paint job, you'd sand it down, prime it, paint it, but it's not the best paint job, but it'll certainly look a lot better than it did. So to make the top for the bench, I'm literally just going to lay the old top on top of a new piece of wood and cut round it using that as a template with a circular saw. I thought that was just the easiest way of doing it, the easiest and quickest way, and it'll be the exactly same size as the old top because obviously I've just cut round it, so yeah, easy. So I should have filmed it better, but I'm basically making the blade not touch the old bench, but just use the old bench as a guide for the blade to cut the top that's underneath. So it's the exact same size as the old bench. And obviously the bench moved a little bit. Obviously with the basic tools, anyone can do this. This isn't exactly hard. If you've got an old rough table or old chairs or something like that, bit of time and effort, make it brand new. And now I'm just layering, because the bench is like 36mm thick and the bits of wood I've got are only 12mm thick, so I'm having to layer 3 bits of ply together. So again, I'm doing the same thing.
Don't throw your things on the floor.
Lost my drill bit there, found it. Yeah, just doing the same thing, laying a bit of ply on top, cutting around the bit I've already cut, and rinse and repeat 3 times, and then I'll have a perfect size worktop as the old one, and in thickness as well. Obviously to get them all together, I've just got loads of screws and just screw the 3 bits of wood together on the back and the front. Yeah, so just put loads and loads of screws in, just to hold that top in as best as you can.
Right, that now is basically now got to get that little chamfer in. A little chamfer. Got to get that in. That is so this frame sits into it. My plan is to have the table on its side, like so. Set the depth of the saw and then feed her in like that. It's probably the most stupid idea I've ever had. I'm not sure now. Maybe I could put it down like this and just do a series of cuts and hold the saw aside. Let's do that. That sounds like a safer option, doesn't it? Let's do it that way. Right, let's do that one then.
Obviously, I know I said chamfer there a few times, but I mean recess. Obviously, it's not going to be a chamfer, is it? Just going to cut a little bit of the wood so the metal can recess into the wood, so it'll be flat. And this works a lot better than torch. I should probably have been wearing gloves and goggles, but here we are. Health and safety goes out the window when you're rushing to get things done.
That's the chamfer. Quick and dirty workbench. Right. Got to video screwing on, but
important.
the metal edge is on. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Thickness. What we're doing now is transfer
Quite a solid bench now.
that and that over for the feet. We're laughing. Boom. there you go. Workbench complete. There you have it. That is 100 times better. Much better.